what can you say and what do you think about architecture style of Almaty?
Патрик Шумахер – архитектор с мировым именем и один из авторов и теоретиков целого архитектурного направления параметризм, директор международной британской архитектурно-дизайнерской фирмы Zaha Hadid Architects, прочитал в Алматы лекцию для студентов и преподавателей КазГАСА. Я спросил именитого гостя о том, что он думает об архитектурном облике Южной столицы.
You have great examples from the modernist period. So there as architectural artifacts deserve to be preserved. However, this is a past era. So in terms of sustaining social life and the contemporary life, they're not ideal. They have a architectural quality which you should be proud of, but they still need to be upgraded and renovated without being destroyed. So I think that's what I find fascinating. But more recently, the architecture, haven't seen that much of a high quality and sophistication yet.